Dr. Vivek Mahajan sharing his vision on future of cartilage repair at ICRS 2023 Sitges, Barcelona. Dr. Vivek Mahajan is a strong believer of joint preservation and cartilage repair.
I am Dr. Vivek and I am a senior consultant in knee surgery and I work in India. And I feel the future of joint preservation lies in preserving the subchondral bone. And because a lot of work has already been done in cartilage, but I strongly believe it doesn't matter how beautifully you're doing the cartilage repair, but if your subchondral bone is not strong enough to take the load of that cartilage repair, eventually this cartilage repair is going to collapse. So I feel that in next decade or next 10 years of joint preservation, we should focus more on the subchondral bone, preventing the subchondral edema and treating the subchondral. Thank you.